Plantopia. My name is Zarin Alexander and hence the name ZA Plantopia. Well, Mother's Day is coming up, so I thought why not make a video on how to make your very own personalized Mother's Day gift. So in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple, super cute, personalized ZA Plantopia style Mother's Day gift, which I'm sure every time your mom looks at it, she's going to be filled with so much joy and pride that her kid made this just for her. So stay tuned and let's get started. So here are the things I'm going to use for the gift. So I'm going to use this little cute tin pot I got from Dollar Tree. It's cute and I think this will look really good. And this little fairy house, this is again from Dollar Tree. And check this out, guys, I found this cute little fairy garden figurines, and this is from Dollar Tree too. I never knew you could get these in Dollar Tree, so they look cute, and guess what, it's easy to find too. So that's that. So I might use all three, or maybe just 2 or 1, it depends on the space. And in this, I think I'm going to use just one of it, because I don't think I'm going to have so much space in this cute little pot that I'm going to use. I'm going to use these cute little flowers. I'm not very sure where I got them from, but I had it in my collection and I thought why not use it. And these pebbles, instead of grass or moss, I'm going to use these pebbles, green color pebbles, to make look like grass. And these pebbles will give a little fantasy fairy-like touch to the garden. And here a little chalkboard. I'm going to put it in, I'll show you where I'm going to use it, and you can write anything on it, a little message, a cute message for your mom. I might use this if there's space. And the stars of the show are these two plants. Look at them. They're called polka dot plants, or the scientific name is called Hypostis. So they're super cute. I love the colors. Just check them out. Look at this, so cute. The white and this pink is just adorable. How can you not like this pink, and how can you not use this for Mother's Day gift? So these are the two plants I'm using, and these are some pebbles to use at the bottom to layer it up. And of course here's soil. So regular potting mix, I'm going to use just regular potting mix. And yeah, so let's get started. Oh, and I will be using this too. It's silver wired LED lights, and again this is from Dollar Tree. So easy to find things. So I'm using all these things for my DIY fairy garden Mother's Day gift. So let's get started. So guys, I opened up this little chalkboard, and it had a jute wire attached to it. So I'm going to cut the jute wire off, and after I cut the jute wire off, I'm just going to use hot glue and stick it in the middle of this, because I don't want these letters. I'm going to just stick this onto the pot in the front, and yeah, and I'm going to write some personalized message on this chalkboard. You can write anything you want. I had to think what I'm going to write about, but yep, once it's done you can see what I write on it. So remember, cut the jute wire off and stick it to the pot. And yeah, I might do this at the end. First I'll do the pot. Okay, so I'm going to put a layer of pebbles at the bottom of this pot. It's because the pot doesn't have any drainage holes, and so these pebbles will help the soil not to stay too soggy, because the water goes down and stays in the layer of the pebbles, and the plants can absorb it whenever they want. So put in some soil. So here's the soil. Let's move this off. I'm gonna put some soil and it looks a little less, but then I'm going to use the soil from, oh, I've taken thinking of putting this one too if there's space. So this is a succulent. I'm not sure of the exact name, but let's see if we have space for him. Okay, so I'm gonna put some soil. Gonna be a bit messy. So guys, this is how I arranged it. Like I put the fairy here, the two plants on the side, and I was wondering where to put the sign, playground for fairies. I was actually thinking of putting it on this side. Oh, sorry, I think of putting it on this side, but the thing was, I thought that side it would look a bit too crowded, so I kept it over here on that side. Oh, sorry, focus, camera, focus. So I put the playground over here, playground for fairies over there, and yep, it's not done, not done. So I use these glossy green pebbles is to give it a little look of a green glowy fantasy place, like give it a little fantasy touch because it's a fairy garden. So next I'm going to do yeah, keep looking. I'm going to put these lights on, okay, and then the sign. So keep watching. So guys, now I'm using this little lights. I put some batteries in them. So I'm going to stick this at the back here, at the back, so it's not seen. So, and I loop the wire all the way. Sorry, focus. Okay, oh, there, it's focused. So I'm going to stick it at the back, and then the wire is going to come in like this, and I'm looping the wire through here. This sign that's going to stick here. See that? I'm going to stick the sign here. So I loop the wire here into this hole. I just threaded it through this hole here, and then in and out and in and out, and I'm gonna thread it throughout the border of the sign and see how it looks. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I'm not able to hold the mobile and take this video, so let's see. I have wound the wire, like how you can see the light wire, on and off switch. I'm going to put it here at the back, stick it here, and the wire I have put it all around the side of this. Oh, focus, yeah. And I wound the wire, the light wire, all around this sign in which I'm going to write a cute Mother's Day quote or a saying or anything, and I'm going to write it with chalk. So if you write it with chalk, you can write anything for your mom any day, every day. You can change the quote, or you can say I love you to her one day, or another day you can just write something else like have a great day, or you can write mom you're beautiful, mom you're awesome. So every day you can give her an encouragement. So that's why I'm using this little chalkboard. So you give her a praise every day for the work she does for you guys. So let's just on and see how it looks. Where's my... Yep, it looks cute, it looks nice. I like the look. I thread the light through these holes, and I try to make all the light bulbs outside, face outside and not behind it. I'm trying to make it make all the bulb point outside. So yep, now I'm going to hot glue this onto this, and I'm going to write something and clean up the place and show you how it looks. Yep guys, this is what I wrote on the chalkboard. All that I am or ever hope to be, I owe to you. Love you, Mama. So you can change it and write whatever you want. So I'm just getting my hot glue ready down there. Have my hot glue ready, and I'm thinking of another idea. Those flowers I was talking about, I just put one of them here in the front, and I can't find the other one. I don't know where it went. I remember taking two. So one is here, and these characters keep falling off. So I thought the best thing to do is to hot glue them. So you see this pebble. So one of these pebbles, it's smooth and curved on top. So I turned it upside down, and at the bottom it's nice and flat. So I put it with bottoms up over there, the pebble bottoms up over there, and I'm planning to hot glue it there. Hot glue this character there so it doesn't keep falling. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to hot glue these characters, this one and this one over there. Flower, I don't need to hot glue, it can move around. And I'm going to hot glue the sign onto the front of this, and I'm going to show you guys, okay? And this one I just taped it at the back, and so you can remove it anytime you want to change the batteries. And this is when it's on. How does it look? Light up your mom's day every day with new praises or new verses you want to tell her. A quote, put in a quote, or put in I love you every day, or you're the most beautiful woman in this world. Anything to cheer her up. So look at these cute plants. My favorite in this DIY project are the plants. The pink and the white polka dot plants. They are my absolute favorite. Here you go guys, this is the final product. I did go ahead and add a few extra features like the 2 butterflies on either side of the chalkboard, 2 extra flowers. I hot glued Tinkerbell on top of the teapot, and I thought, why not add a boy fairy? So there he is. I hope I've inspired you all to create your own DIY fairy garden for your mom as a Mother's Day gift. I'm sure it'll cheer her up every time she has a look at it. And don't forget it lights up. If you enjoy my video, please subscribe, hit the like and the bell icon. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms out there. Peace and love to all.